Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf. In today's podcast, we're diving into the world of mature skincare, focusing on the natural wonders of herbs and flowers. We've put together a list of 7 botanicals that are essential for keeping your mature skin glowing and healthy. Each one comes with its unique benefits and ways you can incorporate them into your skincare routine. So let's get started on this journey towards radiant skin. First up, we have the queen of flowers itself, the rose. Not only are roses a symbol of love, they also have tremendous benefits for mature skincare. Packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, roses can brighten up your skin and help ward off harmful free radicals. On top of that, rose water and rose oil have properties that can help soothe and tone your skin. How can you use them? Consider using rose water as a daily toner to hydrate your skin and reduce redness, or blend a few drops of rose essential oil in your moisturizer for some extra nourishment. You could also try a rose petal infused oil for a gentle massage that not only improves circulation, but boosts radiance too. Next on our list is calendula, a skin-soothing healer. The flowers of this plant, also known as marigolds, have been recognized for their calming and regenerative properties, perfect for mature skin that needs some extra TLC. If you're battling dryness or irritation, calendula can come to your rescue, offering deep hydration and a soothing effect. Consider using calendula oil as a moisturizer, or apply a calendula-infused balm on dry areas like around the eyes or mouth. For an extra gentle healing touch, brew some calendula tea and use it as a facial rinse. Moving on to the calming wonder that is chamomile. Known for its soothing properties, this herb is perfect for calming your skin as well as your mind. It's excellent at calming irritation and redness, something that becomes more common as skin matures. A great way to incorporate chamomile into your skincare regimen is to apply chamomile-infused oil before bedtime, or you can use chamomile tea bags as a cooling eye compress. And when you're in the mood for a little TLC, treat yourself to a chamomile-infused face mask. Our fourth botanical hero is the balancing flower, lavender. This well-loved herb is not only praised for its scent, but also for its rejuvenating properties for mature skin. If you're encountering changes in your skin's texture or dryness, lavender is ready to step in with its ability to balance skin's natural oil production. A few drops of lavender essential oil in a carrier oil can make for a rejuvenating facial massage. Alternatively, lavender hydrosol can serve as a refreshing facial mist throughout the day. An overnight facial oil can also be created by infusing lavender flowers in a light oil such as jojoba or grapeseed. Adding some firmness to our list is the Botox plant, hibiscus. This powerful ally boosts your skin's elasticity and battles dullness, with natural AHAs that tighten and improve skin tone. To firm and hydrate your skin at once, try a hibiscus-infused oil or serum. For a little refreshment, you can make a hibiscus tea toner, or even add hibiscus powder to a natural clay mask for a weekly firming treatment. Our sixth botanical wonder is green tea, the antioxidant powerhouse. With its rich supply of antioxidants, green tea works to fight free radicals, reduce signs of aging, and maintain skin elasticity. Maintain your youthful glow by using green tea as a toner or cool some brewed green tea to use as a refreshing face mist. Adding matcha to a clay mask can also give your skin an invigorating detox. Last but not least is gotu kola, an ancient skin-repairing herb known as the herb of longevity. This herb works wonders for boosting collagen production, improving skin's elasticity, reducing wrinkles, and supporting skin regeneration. Gotu kola infused oil could be your secret weapon against fine lines and wrinkles. On days you want to firm and strengthen your skin, look out for gotu kola in serums or creams. You could also add a gotu kola extract to your DIY face masks for an anti-aging boost. Today, we've focused on the wisdom of herbs and flowers for aging skin. If you've enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe. You might also be interested in my course on using essential oils for mature skin to get the healthy, glowing skin you want. To wrap up, I'd like to remind you that these botanicals are brilliant additions to your skincare regimen, and as natural products, they honor the gentle and beautiful process of aging. Introduce them to your skincare routine in the ways we talked about today, and let the magic of the garden shine through your now radiant skin. Thank you for tuning in to this episode, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm Carrie Scharf, signing off until our next adventure into the whimsical world of botanical beauty.